Leaders of Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates have refused to talk to US President Joe Biden over the phone in recent weeks. This comes as the US tries to contain a surge in oil prices amid the Russian invasion. This is according to a Wall Street Journal report. Saudi and Emirati leaders are becoming more and more unavailable to President Biden. Their officials are growing more critical of US policy in the Gulf. Biden has been trying to reach out to the two leaders, as the Gulf nations have the capacity to pump out more oil, which can then ease global supply fears. On February 9, Biden spoke with Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman's father, King Salman. They highlighted the partnership that the two countries share. Interestingly, both Saudi and Emirati leaders spoke to Russian President Vladimir Putin on call last week. They also had a phone conversation with the Ukrainian President Zelensky. For the first time in years, the US has opened diplomatic channels with Venezuela, which is a Russian ally. A US delegation met with Venezuelan government officials in Caracas to hold discussions on energy supplies in particular. This comes as Washington continues to look for more ways to reduce its import of Russian oil without harming US consumers while maintaining a global supply. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.